Did you know that just one clove of garlic a day could potentially reduce your risk of heart disease by up to 15%? Or that ancient civilizations once considered garlic so powerful it was given to warriors before battle to boost their strength and protect them from illness? Garlic isn't just a pungent ingredient lurking in your kitchen. It's a time-honored superfood whose medicinal potential is only beginning to be fully understood. So, what is it about garlic that makes it so extraordinary? And could incorporating more of it into your life actually save your life? Let's dive into the remarkable journey of garlic, a humble bulb with a legendary legacy. For thousands of years, garlic has been revered as more than just a flavorful addition to food. Ancient Egyptians fed garlic to laborers building the pyramids, believing it would enhance their endurance and ward off disease. Greeks and Romans used garlic as a remedy for everything from respiratory problems to poor digestion. In Chinese and Indian medicine, garlic was prescribed for heart ailments, infectious diseases, and general vitality. Across continents and centuries, garlic earned its reputation as a protector, a force of nature packed into a single clove. Fast forward to the present day, and our world faces a host of health challenges. Chronic illnesses like heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and cancer are among the leading causes of death globally. Many people, wary of synthetic medications and their side effects, are turning to natural remedies for prevention and healing. The quest for holistic health is on the rise, and garlic stands out as one of the most extensively researched and accessible natural solutions. So, what makes garlic so potent? First, let's talk about its antibacterial and antiviral properties. The secret lies in allicin, a sulfur compound released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is a natural antibiotic, capable of inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria, viruses, and even certain fungi. Before the advent of antibiotics, garlic was used to treat wounds, infections, and illnesses of all kinds. In modern studies, garlic extracts have demonstrated effectiveness against pathogens like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. This makes garlic a valuable ally for boosting the immune system and protecting against common colds and flu. But the benefits don't stop there. Garlic's impact on cardiovascular health is truly remarkable. Heart disease remains the #1 killer worldwide, but garlic offers a simple, natural way to support heart function and reduce risk factors. Studies have shown that regular garlic consumption can lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent the hardening of arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. The compounds in garlic relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and limit the buildup of plaque. Imagine making a small change in your diet that could translate to a healthier heart and a longer life. Garlic's potential in cancer prevention is another area of intense scientific interest. Research suggests that garlic's organosulfur compounds may help block the formation of carcinogenic substances, slow the growth of tumors, and promote the death of harmful cells. In epidemiological studies, populations with higher garlic intake tend to have lower rates of certain cancers, particularly of the stomach, colon, and esophagus. While garlic isn't a cure-all, it's a powerful addition to a cancer-fighting lifestyle. To bring these benefits to life, consider the story of Anna, a woman in her early 60s who struggled with high blood pressure for years. Conventional medications left her feeling fatigued and dizzy, so she began researching natural alternatives. Anna started incorporating fresh garlic into her daily meals, making everything from garlic-infused soups to salads and stir-fries. Within a few months, her blood pressure readings improved dramatically. Her doctor was astonished, and Anna felt more energetic than she had in years. While her journey is just one example, it is echoed by countless others who have found relief and resilience through the regular use of garlic. Scientific studies further validate these anecdotes. In one notable clinical trial published in the Journal of Nutrition, participants who consumed aged garlic extract for 12 weeks experienced significant reductions in blood pressure and cholesterol compared to a placebo group. Another study found that garlic supplementation reduced the risk of developing certain cancers by up to 30%. These results are compelling and point to garlic's extraordinary potential as a life-saving food. Beyond its medicinal properties, garlic is incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Whether you prefer it raw, roasted, sautéed, or blended into dressings and dips, garlic can transform ordinary meals into health-boosting experiences. However, to maximize its benefits, it's best to crush or chop garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. This allows the allicin to fully develop. If you're concerned about garlic breath, pairing it with fresh herbs like parsley or mint can help neutralize odors while still enjoying the health benefits. Of course, it's important to remember that garlic is most effective as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. No single food can guarantee immunity from illness, but garlic's unique combination of antibacterial, cardiovascular, and cancer-fighting properties makes it an invaluable tool in your wellness toolkit. Consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're taking medication or have specific health conditions, as garlic can interact with certain drugs. As we recap, garlic's story is one of resilience and healing. From ancient warriors seeking strength to modern individuals battling chronic illness, garlic has proven itself time and again. Its powerful compounds fight infection, lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and may even help prevent cancer. The science behind garlic is robust, and the anecdotal evidence is inspiring. So, next time you reach for that bulb in your kitchen, remember, you're not just adding flavor to your food. You may be taking a step toward better health and longevity. If you're passionate about discovering more natural ways to improve your health, don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based tips, fascinating stories, and practical advice. Together, we can unlock the secrets of superfoods like garlic and empower each other to live healthier, happier lives.